Hello. Today I'm gonna leave my boat. The propellers come up and it can't spin to. It's still under the water. It can float and the people too. The floater and the float is still there. And the propellers come up and in. And then the steering wheel is, we can push it and it's turning around. And it can do this. This can sink too. Look. And then, guys, Mama, bye bye.